is the concern regarding HPV infection in men? So, human papilloma virus infection or HPV infection is a concern, and there are several reasons because it has a risk of leading to complications. And what are these complications that HPV infection can cause? Apart from fact that it's a viral infection which can persist for long periods of time, and especially when there is an immunocompromised status. So if there is, for any reason, say as a patient is a diabetic or something, and he has compromised immunity, the HPV infection will crop up. It can give rise to visible symptoms, and those visible symptoms are sometimes very uncomfortable for men. The fact that they don't want their partners to realize that they have an infection, and warts can form, and sometimes these warts are extremely ugly. So for any man to have these unsightly warts can be trouble. Apart from that, there are local signs that can develop because of that, and you can have persistent infection, some discharge, some itching around that area, which you have to be careful about. Not only this, if you look at a serious risk outcome, it has been shown that there is an increased risk of malignancy or cancers in men. So whether we're talking about throat cancers, or we're talking about skin malignancy, or we're talking about penile cancers, the risk will increase with HPV infection. So that's a concern at all times. Apart from this, there is a major concern in men that they will transmit this to their partners, and therefore where a identified, well recognized risk of malignancy in women, cervical cancer in women, exists as a result of HPV infection, the risk of transmission of this usually STD exists from partner to partner. All of these concerns together then make HPV an infection that we must be aware of. We must recognize the way that it can be identified and diagnosis made, the possibilities of how it may present, and how can we prevent, treat, and then manage them. So if you have further doubts or questions about the HPV virus or infection or testing or treatment, you can reach out to us. The details are mentioned on this, and then we will be able to help you. Thank you.